East of Melbourne, a mother and a child are one step away from a terrifying ordeal. Her hands full, the mother heads for the exit as her little girl steps off the train and straight into the gap. In an instant, the child vanishes between the platform and the train, which is just about to depart.
The child's out of sight. The mother's absolutely frantic and grabs the child as quickly as she can, pulling her up to a position of safety.
CCTV footage shows that the actions of one bystander helped save this child's life. A young man with a backpack first alerts the mother to the emergency taking place behind her. He then leaps onto the train to hit the emergency button and alert the train driver to the situation.
This is every parent's worst nightmare. In just a split second, the child can disappear between the train and the platform in a gap sometimes that small. The mother was lucky enough to be able to reach the child in the particular position and pull her out from underneath the train and back onto